Honda Civic Catalytic Converter Cleanings, Machine. Oxygen sensor before cleaning. Spray water before cleaning catalytic converter. Outside all around to cool down its temperature to avoid any damage. Make sure it's cooled down before spray chemicals inside. Catalytic converter. Adding catalwash chemicals into machine. Spray chemicals inside catalytic converter and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Oxygen sensor after cleaning. Start a car, accelerate it as required. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.